Very big good afternoon. Very big good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Tori House, chapter 2 for Tori for this side. We go talk palava for thief again. As we gendarme people them from Banga side, when a big man commandant for that side where they call him say Esegemu Bonaventure. He says we don't do correct work again. He don't catch 40 people them for that side. So for Banga where they don't cause confusion for inside the town. So for Tori for this afternoon, we go talk palava accident where it take happen now for that road for Banga side for place where they call him say Okolam. Thank God say no person, he no take die, na some big motor, he can come out the bus where he be fall for inside for corner road, for Sika, Palava for Wawa road for that side so for Bangam. We go also turn back for talk chapter for water 2018, people them for Combo, they decry water as we dry season don't come, all the Tori them so, plus one where we combi them for newspaper they take talk this afternoon. We no go leave them for back. Big part talk for this afternoon. He try for tell we say waiting. Stick where he come out better fruit. Now one way plenty stone them, they dey for a corner. Stick where he come out better fruit. Now one way stick stone them, they dey for a corner. Now Ajang Divine for Monaberi for inside Wala Yem is send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back some more time, no man no shake. Good afternoon, country people them. Sabi say man he make machine, but one time machine says it the confused man we make it. So as we Tori the pass, anytime we machine get for Christmas, we say we go take manage am. Now we take make am and one time we get for full we too for inside Tori for this afternoon. Before we enter for Tori for that side, so for Banga, Tori we the meter we for Bonduma side. For Aboyam, he try for Terry as well some boy, he don't knock some girls so they die, then to they be the make can we stay. For Sika said the boy receive phone message for inside get the phone when he talk say I love you. He knock the girl so they take die now for Bondoma for that side so for Boyam. Palava girl and Palava boy again. Olembe on never finish. Na Boya people themselves say they don't give you some other Tori for start talk and for this side. We go surely continue for talk this chapter. For other Tori, for inside Tori house. Make we enter for Tori proper. We take una go for Banga side. Now for before gendarme them office. Now the people then this way it did so they don't worry people them for that side for Banga side. As well the talk palava Banga. Now so today the smoke that was cigarette where they call and say Banga fine. Now they are working then that way they take work. Now the thing then that way they don't the farm, laptop, computer, all small thing that way they see and where they fit farm, they carry and go. These people they say on top that one they thief even army clothes. Now way they so big man says where they call them say Esegemu Bonaventure and Dio says he come for can see these people the way they don't the work for that side. See cocaine, see the thing where they take them before they enter. See correct grass. Now the kind grass where when you take and so for Sunday you go talk say you dinner for New Year, and when you take them for Monday you go talk say waiting. Woman says they see Mbango Senge. 28 years woman, he says be there inside the palava. Yes, he the seller. Now he the person. They will get in Jankam Dongo, see the one. He own na Korema. Stand up for up there. Show we face. Tanya Njapa, 22 years Pekin. See them. Now then that. And Eto Francois, 38 year Pekin. See face. Corner people them. Now then that. Now then the worry people them from Banga. See woman. Woman too don't join inside the palava. Now he said bad cigar. So see her. Now grass that. Plenty grass when they take and so na confusion. Now one of the person in that way they don't try for Minase for that side as soon as they take and so now Bonaventure Esegemu now the big captain, a big commander for that side so for Banga where he don't take do this work now brigade for gendarme them for Banga. When it takes time for talk congratulate and we continue for talk say do your work commandant for Banga gendarmerie where they call and say Esegemu Bonaventure. Make we hear where person for Banga take talk for palava this plenty thief for inside their town.
And then the bro has me told you say for bet, then tell you come out for bet, you come out. Ben skin no na helele, then the cash you for up top ben skin, throw you for ground. Then they take Ben skin. Why no day? Man no fit come up for night for say me you go tonton. You do one go tonton, turn back. All the time you sleep na for ground where they don't move your mattress for bed. Sometimes banga don't been that so na family for tipipi. Tipipi they don't over. My brother they know they live with me we sleep. Manga non all this time then they cash pipi because of banga. Coke. That thing where then they call and say cocaine and that one where then they call and say tie. I tell you who say captain and then they call you a saga Bonaventure. You don't talk say for this manga you go war.
Yes, so na person that for Banga, Palava this chapter for Tivu, this also talk congratulate for the commandant for brigade, for gendarme side for Banga, they calling Oga Bonaventure Esagam, as one take here, na they do work in a lamboy them. So we go let Palava for our thief, we enter now so for Palava for waiting. Accident, small picking accident na amateur image, na the motor that one that they send that wide motor. Now for place where they call them say Okola, na place where they for that side for Penja, in between Penja and Loom. Now for there the motor it takes so it confuse it fall for inside that place with people there they be there for inside. Now for Sika this road so na the see and so one will talk say we road they know they fine. Now road that they don't go open and so where they be get for can put small quota for inside. Now this road so it make that motor so it tumble side for inside that hole for that side so for Okola na village where they inside between Penja and Loom as well the worker for the road for national road number 5. So now some other BB motor it comes so it can tow that motor it come out and for inside that hole it did so people there they be there inside that motor they be get small wound no man it no be die but small wound and fear for inside people their hearts as well the motor it takes so confused enter so for inside that place so con the people then just for telling us say we rode them Palava they were one road and when they even go open road self say they go come put small quota so that road is smooth small no man you know they pass again for them. Now for Sika that was one place where this motor so it turn fall for inside bush no man you know take dime all people there they did na small wound and one day they be get small fear for the heart as well the motor tumble side so for inside they now the one then that they commode them but no person you know take that with this also talk chapter for World Road for inside Cameroon and for this we national roads na other kind make we turn back when I see the roads now the road then that's now that hole so we make this motor so a fall for inside the bush now the whole that one na for sure say some person don't can dig am now for them for can put quota back for inside the way it pass them way it make that motor so tumble side no man he no die but small wound it be the concern for inside there. Now so since we the talk chapter for roads we go turn back for this our waka will make am for Douala here why people they carry plenty people them for back Okada people themselves even as we Dr. Freaks Ntone and Governor delegate for Douala it don't the whole donga men for talk for them say may they try for the respect people them respect in the commandeer them for Palava how many people they carry am Okada people them they know the here road they know the way here one when they carry one they must to carry another person mami says already for back it already plenty but the Okada man define another person for enter for day for on top that Okada now for Sika say waiting they say they go for Bonaberry and along they use plenty fuel for go for Bonaberry so they must to carry two people them and you sabi say one man for pay 1,000 to a heart country to a trunk so other people then so they enter for the Okada now then say they help this Okada people them for carry two people them for Sika say they say country trunk they no fit for pay 1,000 for enter for Okada for reach for Bonaberry but sabi say no be na only Okada way they carry two people them even taxi self way if the worker go for that side for Bonaberry na 3 for front 4 for back e dey like say you dey go for some small village 3 for front 4 for back na so they carry them and then 2 they decline na for Sika say oya fuel for put am for motor money for buy am e no dey plenty na all the one dem so we make am plus book for motor wey they get for make am all that one dem so na wey they talk say they get for carry plenty people dem for back but we sabi say na big danger for we people dem make we hear wetin wey taximan for roads e take talk.
More try for see one thing the way we do for make semi essential be. We carry plenty people them for you, not they say for our likeness. Because if country for be fine, all we will for be fine. The problem is say what we will carry only 4 people them for here for taxi. We will pay papers because we pay them for Mary witness. We pay them for here. We pay taxes. We do all videos where people they do them. If we do them so. For carry only 4 people them for go like for trading bonus we not come out for essentials. The problem is say we carry what 4 people there for back, 2 people there for before. If you make at least 1,500. Me a compromise size. I'm saying if I go and come back, I get 3,000 francs. When I get 3,000 francs, I put petrol for 2,000 francs. I reserve 1,000 francs for chop money for picking them for house. And then if you know the function, so Mr. Journalist, you want some more do how. And then we help we so that we will grow together. Now we have dialogue like how we do them now. So it be essential. You shouldn't be compromise size. And then even for London we will go.
Yes, now that taxi man that tell we palava how we country wrong. Now for sika whether they carry plenty people them for inside their motorcycle the people them now. So make we enter for different chapter. We take una go for Combo. Now for that side, so for Northwest, palava water, dry season way don't come. For sea water way come on for tap. Now trunk team for Combo side. I even as well this water they come on so plenty. People them for Combo they cry plenty just now for Sika palava water. Now for Sika why that way now for only for the one place as soon as the sea and so way some people them for Combo they carry water. And when you come for can carry water for here, now for you for stand up for line. You way you can late, sabi say na so too you get for carry your water late. And the thing where the best people them plenty for him. Now say place where they carry water, someone the way they can wash their clothes. When they wash clothes, they wash and only for corner the water we mean say that place where they carry the water it must to dirty. On top that one, just for corner place where they carry water as soon as they see and so all the places help it just they some kind of way it just they make like say people they no get for carry that water. Sabi say water nothing way you get for carry for some clean place, but when the place is dirty now other big question that way people they answer why they get for carry water for dirty place. And people they come up for far away only for them for can carry water. As well dry season it don't come for that side for Combo. Then they were watching for them and say just for corner place where they carry water, dirty too it dey for corner. So how you go manage the carry water where they go drink for house? On top that one, dirty too it dey for corner. Now the big question then that way people they never feel for answer and see dirty for corner place where they carry water. How that water go manage sweet fine? How the water go pass for your skin? And as also suffer that 2018 people they no get for the cry palava water. Even as well sabi say dry season sometimes so it cause trouble. As sabi say no be now only people them from Combo. But see how we dirty day for place where they carry water. When you carry water for the kind of dirty place, which kind of water you go drink? Now water where they so you go so go cook them again before you drink, or water you just carry and enter you drink. The one na for carry sick for your skin. See place where they carry water, see dirty. Nice yeah. No be nothing where you get for biso. No be nothing way a get for biso. So people them for Combo they cry. Make we hear mommy for Combo side they tell with this palava water fine. How people they suffer for the water.
Okay, so the water we use that. Even the whole Combo or the whole community they use water all the time. But the problem is as we use water so for dry season around February, March, crowd population. The overflow for you since water is go for the other communities. So as they come so plenty people, they do over 5 to carry the water, and it is very difficult for other people there. Even most people never carry water that time. And then other people then when they come from far distance, they get for waste enough time for you like 3, 4, 5 hours before they go to carry the water for go. And then the water to the place. The area where the water they not be very conducive because all man get for stand up for one line before they keep carry the water, put them for their gallon between the go. People they like smoke between them. They get for the fight, or since they don't get chance of fight, get the water fast, they get for delay the whole time. Hunger go the whole day for carry only water. See water they so. People
then na mommy that for that side for Combo they talk palava for the water, but waiting other people they get for talk for chapter for the water for inside Combo. Make we hear them.
But because now water we will help all for you and all man know, and usually now most people they when they talk say me they can't in this place, they know they can't. The way you know be fine so because now water we will help you. Like dry season, when taps they know the common. All people them say they carry water now for you. My advice was to give for them say when they can they could carry them, go far from the school where they carry them before they wash their clothes. Because not time for the carry water when they do then they do wash clothes for them.
Even the place where they carry water, there is sooner dead for them. Let's know there were person they come the carry water. Then we want come you see where the tune are there for the road not see there. All road don't collapse. All you not see there, see water. That them don't go off. So they not see they will do the carry see. Now the other water will manage.
So, Palava Water 2018, we within for one person in back for say by 2035 country it must to go for before. Now so make we change chapter, we enter for inside Bojongo side him as we SDO for that side for Fako, it don't not comfortable, it don't vex. Say if Bojongo people them number 3 Ndongame we go happen with them. They no come out with Percy way go be like their chief for that side so for Bojongo. That their book where they write and send them for an office, he go just fling them inside water way they for a corner office for that side so for down beach. This one now after we Oga Emmanuel Ngamba Ledu, he go again for go meet up Bojongo people then for see as well the fish she done for one place for find one person way if he be like their Igwe. Sabi say since we chief for that side for Bojongo pass, Oga SDO number 2 time we the meet up people then for Bojongo for that side so for Lim for Boyam for say make the try for see wait way they fit do so that another chief if he can chop check for another person. Sabi say chief way take die he get 3 of he picking them where all them the one be chief she don't for on top their papa chair but who go come out for can talk say make this person a be. Now the big question that where they never fit for answer them and Oga Emmanuel Ngamba Ledu when na SDO for that side so for Fako he don't talk and he said number 3 time we go for Bojongo if they no talk no nothing for Palava chief na so too he go carry that their book quiet he throw ya for inside water where he dey for corner office. So na Palava vex where Oga SDO for that side for Fako don vex for sika say Bojongo people them they no want talk with you one more for bring person way if he beat like their chief. So he don't give them last warning. Say the last warning na say waiting if number 3 time he come for that place they no find person wey go be chief or person wey go be kingmaker they no go continue this chapter again. He go just lock their file throw am for inside water one time. So trouble for that side for Bojongo who go chop chair wey chief sese wey be first she done on top Iwaka Lebam. Now the big question that way we say we go continue for follow tell na wait way it take pass for that side so for Bojongo. We left chapter for chief, we go enter now so for chapter for Ndamba for this afternoon country people them. We talk Palava this work away people them for a calf. They don't start them for that side so for Boyam. They be start them for Boya yesterday as well the take talk. First place where they be land all the people them for calf. They go meet up na them Kumkuma for Sawes where they call it say Governor Bernard Okalia Bilai. Yes, Governor Bernard Okalia Bilai is a na take talk come good for this country people them for CAF where they dey for inside the country since last week Friday and Sabi say this worker if they na continue for this CAF people the way they did turn for see as we country it dey prepare for 2019 man Ndamba. Just for Sabi say as well they be enter one time they be get na some small meeting with governor and other people the way they get hand for inside this chapter for competition for that side so for Fako division or Southwest. After this short photo na so to one time they talk say all Tori people them now so na time for we for talk secretary una no get for here wey to the talk lock door all Tori people they come up for outside Kamamburu man na he stand up for gate say no man he no enter. As so they finish that small meeting now for Limbe the land for see as we centenary stadium day. Sabi say this stadium say if you don't be prepared this centenary fee if you don't be prepared since we woman Ndamba be take pass for 2016 for we country and as well the take talk after they come up for day one day where they look a hotel them they go to for hotel side for go see as we hotel them for that side for Limbe they prepare for this man Ndamba. Sabi say today they don't continue their work for Sawes they don't turn back for Limbe for go see other feed them. Sabi say only for Fako division for Boya side them 5 feet and they so work a continue today they go finish for that side so for Boya. When you land for legendary hospitality Sabi say you know if you ever miss no nothing. So the calf stranger the way they enter for Boyam then too they be see this country dance. Yes, you know if you ever miss Malay kind dance when you enter for Boya, for people there they take Sabi Boya. But Sabi say people the way they do Boya, they get one prayer now so. Make una see one prayer. We all then they get them. Make we see the image for today we'll show now for early morning time. Yes, people then for Boya now so they talk say as we carve people they don't come for Boya. Make they remain one time. Yes. They say make carve people then they remain for Boya so that they go get internet. Binet, you know the worker since for Boya for seeker internet. As we stranger they enter for that one time internet it take come. So they just talk say make that people they remain there for Boya. So that they go continue for get internet. So that Binet go the worker. So people there for Boya now so they talk say make that people then they remain. Make they no go again. So all man the prayer say as we internet don't come, it no go again. Even as we change them the day for inside town, it no go again after they go. So now the BB prayer that for Boya people them as we internet it turn back for day as we change them enter for town yesterday. Make we see wait newspaper then they take talk to them. Waiting newspaper they take talk. The guidance post where it dey for outside. We start with the Median. We start with the Median newspaper where it dey for outside for this morning time. Median where they for outside. It dey talk as we man you people them. Then say they don't show sorry heart for other people that they run come out for outside for sake of this palaver for Norwest and Southwest. So for inside the guidance post or the Median where they for outside country people them. They try for tell we say after Manu division that people them for Odeshi. Abanzonia Army, they don't enter now from Mome division. School 2, it don't turn back after we big pom it be take up so for that side, so for inside Southwest. Plus Rigobert song 2 it turn it fall for number 1 day for small picking Damba for that side for Morocco. Waiting where they post where they for outside today TikTok, they post weekend where they for outside, it gets its own strong number where they try for tell we say waiting. Nigeria policeman, it don't talk why where they catch Ambazonia big people them for that side, so for Nigeria, so for inside the post weekend they try for Terry say as we carve people they enter for town for Boya now so to internet where it no be there for Boya it don't turn back. So for inside the post weekend they try for Terry as we principal and vice principal they send them for by force pension after where they make big pom where he make school he go for by force break for Monday inside this week. Other tori the day where the post weekend I take talk. Guidance post where they for outside, he get his own strong number the way he talk for this early morning time. He try for tell we say waiting. Say law court for that side for Nigeria. He don't it's more time, he go try, he go start for George and Bazonia big people there they take cash them. Now for Sika say waiting, they say Ayok Siseseku and he come be them, they be the try for train and Bazonia army for inside Nigeria. For inside the guidance post too, they try for tell we say waiting. They don't see some line for fake book them where it did use them for inside Central Hospital for Yaoundé side. This one in the camp Natare they don't catch on 3 people them where them suspect say na them keys on gendarme for that side so for Minchum. Other tori them the dame where the guidance post it talk am. Nouvelle Expression today for outside to them. Nouvelle Expression it get its own tori wey take talk as where they tell we 2019 man Damba eto na it don't be for before now so for meet up with people them for car for tell them say for true 2019 Cameroon it go don prepare for not this Ndamba as way it take happen. So for inside a Nouvelle Expression you get other small tori them where it is so Nouvelle Expression where they for outside it take nakam. If you never get your own paper now for you for go enter one time you get your own paper country people. Mutation to a day for outside today. Make we go for Mutation newspaper we day for outside. Wait in Mutation it take talk for this today. In Mutation it tell we the tori we take pass for that side so for Olembe as well they so person it take he own take knife, he finish with his own woman for that side, so for Olembe side. Now the tori that way dey for headline for Mutasong, as so we take see other small number than to the day where Mutasong we dey for outside it take talk. So now just for you for enter for inside way to wait to read them for newspaper side, they take talk where it dey for outside. Country people them now, so we take see country for this afternoon with the text so for talk Happy New Year. For you, Demeka, you dey for that side, so for Boya. Happy New Year too for Romain, big manager for Azim Hotel for Kumbaside. Ambassador, he go turn back now tomorrow for 8 o'clock. To read the continue for this side for Equinox Story House. Make no man no run. So take for tomorrow.